Hey, and welcome to Heyyy. This is my first video ever, so please bear with me. I want to show you how to get this look that I did. Stay tuned. So I like to start off with the eyes. First off camera, I actually did my eyebrows, and I actually shaped them with the Fit Me by Maybelline and Shade Cafe. I just want to give it a little bit more definition. Then I like to put the concealer all over my eyelid. It just like a base. You always want to have a base to go off on because it helps your eyeshadow just pops a little bit more. After I put my base on my eyelid with the concealer, I like to go on with the loose setting powder just to make it a little more matte. That way the eyeshadow doesn't get all greasy, I'm gonna say. Don't judge me, y'all. I'm not a makeup guru. I went in with the shade Diet Root Beer from Shane's Dawson palette. You have to get it. Like, I really love it. I'm gonna put that all into my crease. And I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. I know it looks like my skin tone, but trust me, it's a need to. I like to actually take a little product at a time and build it up. That way you can actually like get a good range of how it's going to look instead of adding too much and you can't take it all. Like, who wants to start over their whole makeup look? Right here, I'm taking the color Coconut from BH Cosmetics. It's the palette Hanging in Hawaii, and I love this palette. Put that color right into my crease as well. It's gonna help shape my eyes a little better. You want to make sure that you're blending it really well. You do not want it to be patchy. In the James Charles palette, I'm going to take the color 10% off, and I'm going to put that in my outer V. This is going to give your eye that smoky effect, and like, I love that look. I don't know about y'all, but that look is for me. Again, you just want to make sure you want to blend that out into your corner and blend it inward. Guys, I know throughout this video you're going to see me using the same brushes because I don't have that many brushes. I'm just starting off, so don't judge me. I'm going in again with the James Charles palette. This color is the shade Benny, and it's so chocolatey. Like, watching I put it on. See that? I'm also going to put this in my outer V to help with the smoky effect. Again, you're going to blend this out really well in the corner and inward towards the stuff of your eye, but not all the way, just halfway. Make sure it's really blended out. Like, I like to blend forever. After I got that all blended out, I'm going to go in with the Supernova palette by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to go in with the shade Celestial. I'm going to put that shade all over my eyelid, basically from the corner on in. Right here, because I didn't achieve the look I wanted to, I actually sprayed my brush with a little bit of setting spray to get it wet, and I went back into Celestial and put it all over my eyelid. Right here, I actually went back in with the color Benny to just blend it all in and make it seem seamless. And this is how it turned out. Okay, y'all, this is by far the hardest part for me. I cannot get lashes on for the first time to save my freaking life. I tried, and it just didn't work for me. So y'all gonna see me come back on camera with them already finished, because I could not get those on. Not working. There we go. So after I'm finished with my eyes, I like to go on with a primer. I have the Lancome LA base. I actually put that all over my face, anywhere that besides where my eyes are, of course. I like to use my hands and actually just massage it all over my face, and I like to make sure it's like really in there. And you don't really need a lot of this base, not at all. It's just going to be wasting product. Just starting out, Fit Me by Maybelline is the best to start with. I'm actually just going to use my fingers to put that all over my face. I usually section it out by my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, especially underneath, because as you can see, I have a lot of dark marks. I'm just going to take my brush and blend out all of my foundation all over my face, make sure it's nice and smooth and seamless. Right here, I'm actually taking that same concealer, the Fit Me Cafe, and I'm going to put that under my eyes and near the corners of my nose just to brighten it up a little bit. I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, once you blend it out, it's going to be perfect. I'm also going to take a little bit of that and put it right on my cupid's bow. And I'm also going to put some right on my chin. And I'm also going to line the bridge of my nose to make it a little bit contoured. And then put a little bit of the concealer on my forehead. Just brighten it up a little in the center. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. setting spray and I'm going to spray that all over my sponge to make it a little damp. It helps maneuver the concealer on your face a little better instead of it just staying in one spot. It helps it just move around a little easier. As I'm blending out underneath my eyes, I'm making sure I'm staying up close to my waterline, because you don't want any darkness underneath your eye at all to peek through. I'm just going to blend all of the concealer out evenly on my face. Next, I'm going to use my loose finishing powder in the color Medium Deep by Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm going to put that everywhere that I put my concealer. It's just going to help it not crease over time. I like to just pat mine into the skin. I'm not sure about the whole baking thing. I've never done it. This way works for me. If baking works for you, then do that by all means. Make sure you're not missing any spots that you place your concealer. Okay, now we're moving into contour. I got the palette by Black Radiance, medium deep, medium dark, sorry. I'm not the best at contouring, but I try. I'm just taking my big angle fluffy brush and I'm doing a sweeping motion back and forth from my top of my ear going downward in a slant. I'm also going to go around the edges of my hairline and my side. This is the Master Chrome in the color Molten Topaz by Maybelline. I must admit it is not the best highlighter, but this is what I have at the time, so gotta work with what I got. I'm gonna place this highlighter at the top of my cheekbones just to give my cheekbones a little bit of a glow. And yes, I know I use my fingers a lot when doing makeup. Right here I'm actually taking the Master Chrome highlighter and I'm putting some on the bridge of my nose to give it a little bit of just a nice highlight. I'm going to also put some of that on my Cupid's bow. I'm not sure about everybody, but I like to put a little bit of highlight right underneath my brow bone. Doing this just sets off the whole eye look for me. It makes your eyeshadow and your eyebrow just pop out even more. So right here, I'm just going to add a little bit of that highlighter right into the corner of my eye. It's just going to make the whole eye look just bomb. I never do my eyeshadow without adding a little highlight in the corner. Look at it. Don't it just makes it look so much better? Right here, I'm just dipping back into Benny from the James Charles palette. I'm going to put some of that underneath the under eye to give my eyes like a fuller, smoky effect. Here I'm going to go in with the Kiss lip liner in the color Chocolate, and I'm actually just going to use this to outline my lips. I apologize, I am way out of frame. I'm trying to get better with that, but I'll show y'all the finishing look. I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee, and I'm going to put that on my inner lip. I'm going for like a pinky nude lip. Here I'm just blending the two colors together to make it seamless. Now, I liked how it looked, but I wanted it a little bit darker. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu, and I'm going to add that. And here's the finishing look. I would like you guys' honest opinion on how you think the look turned out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also comment different brushes you would like to see me use, or like what different brushes are for, because I'm still starting out. And you can also follow me on my Instagram at Heyyy. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.